I should have a blog. What is a blog and why should I do it?
I remember back in early 2000s when blogs were just coming out. And I had a neighbor that had a personal blog. And he worked at Intel. He was a very smart guy. And he said to me, "You've got to get into blogging." And I thought, what the heck is a blog? Why do I care? Now all of a sudden, blogs are all over the place. Now for the millennials that might be watching this, blogs do exist and you actually do read a lot of blogs. You just don't know that they're blogs. Blogs are everywhere. Blogs are basically news sites. Blogs are Medium. Blogs are on personal websites and business websites. This is where people are sharing information. They're creating new content and trying to educate and engage with prospects, leads, and current customers. Now, what is a blog? A blog is a component of your website, usually, or you can use something like WordPress.com or one of those in order to create your own blog. But usually on your website, on whether it's built on Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, WordPress, doesn't matter. You have this blog component. The blog actually allows you to create new dynamic content that's fed to Google. It's indexed by Google, and if it's relevant to your business and you have a good keyword strategy, then actually what's happening is when people are searching for certain products or services that you mentioned, you might show up. Your blog, specifically your blog post, might show up in Google's search engine results page. So it's a big thing. Blog is a huge component because you don't want your website to get stale. As a best practice, you should always be updating your website, tweaking words, checking out different keywords that might make more sense and drive more traffic. One of the ways you can do so is by leveraging your blog. And a blog isn't just written word. A blog also includes images and it includes videos. In fact, having a video on your blog increases inbound traffic by 300%. Because people are going to watch that video, they're going to learn more, and then they're more apt to share it with their community or their network because they found that the information was really helpful. So look for this specific video on my personal blog on briankaplan.com because it's really important to integrate video with your blog. Here's to your success.